So today we went to an old folks home, then after that we went to Mines, right? Hopefully that this has given you all like a different insight on the things that are happening outside in Singapore, the less fortunate. And that is why, or rather that's the objective of us going out to carol. Aside from going to our members' houses to sing, we visit all these homes, old folks' homes, children's homes, or special schools to meet with all these less fortunate, and we bring Christmas cheer to them, because all of us, we are so fortunate to be in this kind of environment. We have everything that we need, but yet these people are less fortunate than us. Okay, so the objective of us going for caroling, we bring Christmas cheer, we bring happiness and bring joy to all these people. That's the spirit of Christmas, right?